Here we have a 2024 Harley Davidson Nightster, and today I'm going to show you how to make this motorcycle loud for a really cheap price. And the way we're going to do that is with this exhaust tip. You can pick this up in O'Reilly's for 70 bucks. The part number is 22362, and as you can see, we're going to take off these 3 bolts, and the tools we're going to use for that is a 10 millimeter with a wrench, and the rest of the tools are going to be a 13 millimeter, a 15 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, and of course again the 10 millimeter. As we take them off, just put them to the side right there. Almost out. Alright, now that we have it off, it should look like this. Our next step is to loosen all the heat shields. So the first one we're going to loosen up is this top one. There's 3 bolts, 8 millimeters, one right here, one right here, and one right here. And there is 3 bolts in this one. There's one right here, follow it down, there's a second one right there, and then the last one is right there. Once you do that, you start losing this big one right here, and it has 2 bolts, one right here and then the second one right there. Once you loosen those 2 bolts, it should pop off just like that. There you go. We put that to the side. Next, we're gonna take off this one right here. For that one, we're going to use a 15 millimeter. Place it right here. Just gonna start loosening it out. Now as we're taking it off, you don't have to take all of it out. You just gotta loosen it up to the point. It gets a bit loose. So we're gonna keep going. As you got that part loosened out, you're just gonna push it to the side right there. Next one is this bolt right here. For that one, we're gonna use a 13 millimeter. We're just gonna place it right there. Loosen it out. There we go. After we get that one out, we're gonna pop this plastic piece right here. Just pops right off like that. And you're gonna take off these 2 right here. Here we go. And for that, we're going to need a T40. We got one more. Once you get all both bolts out, all you're gonna do is just slide it right off, just like that. Our last step is to get this last bolt that's right behind here, so we can loosen out the exhaust and just slide it off. Now for that bolt, you're gonna need a 12 millimeter, and you're gonna need one of these, and the right size for that is going to be a 45. So you're gonna put it right in here like that. I'll need both hands for this, and then you're gonna put this right here, and with both hands you're gonna twist up both opposite sides so it comes out. Once you take that bolt off, the exhaust should be loose, and then you just slide it off. Just to give you guys a good demonstration, you can put both hands right here. You wiggle. As you're wiggling, you're pulling. Just like that. Once you take it out, you're gonna pop this top part off just like that. You can put it right here. That's really important. You have this gasket right in here. You're gonna also need to take that out. It's gonna take some skill, but bit by bit should pop right off. So what I like to do, I like to bend one side like this and then pop it off just like that. Next we get our exhaust tip from O'Reilly's. We're gonna slide this in just like that, bit by bit, and then after that we're gonna get this little piece and put it on top of it, or you can just slide it in, you can slide it inside the exhaust and then slide in the exhaust tip in. Now once you slide it all in, you gotta make sure that this gasket, this piece right here, fits deep in there. Push it all the way into the weld just like that. If it doesn't want to go all the way in, just get a grinder and cut a bit of these sides out right here, and then you put this on, you tighten it up, and then we'll see from there. Now as you got the clamp, you're just gonna keep tightening it until when you're done with it, we're gonna turn it on and see how it sounds. Just a quick reminder, you can just put the cover back on and you can just leave this like this, give it a nice clean. The only thing you do need to put back on is tighten these up and just put the cover here, which is this one right here. You just put that one back and that's it. And there you guys have it. How to make a Harley Davidson 2024 Nightster sound loud with just 70 bucks. This shouldn't take more than just 40 to 30 minutes. Average person at least an hour. But yeah. Also, it went from sounding like this to sounding like this. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.